Welcome back to a JavaScript series. My friend, today we are going to discuss a topic. There is nothing but a favorite topics, loops, isn't it? So, please try to understand. In every programming language, we have a different types of loops, isn't it? So certainly we have a in JavaScript also we have a different types of loop, isn't it? For example, I'm going to show you there is a here you can see that we have a something called as a for loop, we have a something called as a while loop, we have a something called as a do while loop, and for in loop and for off loop. So there are so many things, so I am going to show you. So without wasting much time, uh, let's deep dive into the world of the loops, isn't it? So now try to understand looping. I would like to solve some program, isn't it? So here you can see that there is some program here, but what is the program is nothing but a pattern, isn't it? Anyways, now try to understand. I'm just going here. Where is that? Okay. So I'm being my editor, and in my editor, uh, I just go here and I will say like here first of all here you can see that there is a one file is created demo.js. Okay, and now I am use this Visual Studio Code. Okay, so what I am writing this like console dot log. uh, so in within the double quotes, wait, I'm starting this. Within the double quotes I want to print one star. Okay, so okay, so I'm avoid this manually writing. I'm just here and I press it. Here you can see there is a one star printed. Okay, okay, now we are understand it's a one star is printed. But now my expectation is to try to understand this is what I want to do. I don't want to print a one star, instead I want to print a 5 star. Okay, so now some of you will be like, okay, this is so simple. uh, what you have to do is, if you once you tell the one time, so it will print, you do one thing. You copy this line and below it paste it another 4 times. Okay, so observe this carefully. Okay, let's try to do. I'm it's not a good way, but I'm just explaining one concept. That's why I'm just paste it. Okay, there is a 5 star. I'm just pressing this. Okay, here you can see that there is a 5 star printed. But my friend, first of all you try to understand this is a console.log nature. If your console.log is to write it, then console.log print, then after that cursor going to a next line. That's why it's vertically printed. Okay, I hope you try to understand. So now let us assume, now my expression is, my friend, let us assume I wanted 10 star. Then what will you do? Will you copy paste 10 times? Meaningless, isn't it? So what I am trying to say is that, so my friend, uh, I'm so there is a, that's why where loops comes into the picture, right? So now there are different types of loops, but first let me introduce you the one of the most famous and simple loops is called as a for loop, isn't it? So I'm just about this, and I'm just writing a for loop syntax. So what is that? This is a for, and there is a bracket, and this is a my flower bracket. Or inside this bracket there is a 3 partitions. Okay, okay, I'm just trying to explain you, so don't worry about it. The first partition is where I should tell like I. Okay, I should begin from, and where should I begin from? There is a 1. Okay, so I will tell I is equal to 1. Here you can see that, and that's mean 1 is assigned to a I. So next thing I should tell is how many. Okay, this forget about this. Okay, so here I am just manually writing. Okay, I'm just writing a tab. I'm just trying to explain it. So next I should tell is how many times should iteration happen. So maximum number here is my 5. So you must tell it the condition like this. So I is less than equal to 5. Okay, so here is that this is the incrementations. Okay, so next how much is the value should increase every time. What you tell in the last area, there is nothing but incrementation decrementation. Okay, so here I will tell like I plus plus stand for the incrementation. Okay my friend. Okay, here you can see that there is a inside this flower bracket I am just writing console.log. Okay, now I'm just trying to visualize this. Before this visualize, I'm just run it. Wow, that's nice. There is a 5 star is printed. Okay, but my fan, but how this work? Okay, I'm just trying to explain it. Okay, so okay, okay, here you can see that I is equal to 1. This is the incrementation. Okay, so second thing is a this is the conditions. Okay, this is third thing this is the incrementation, and this is the what you want to print it, then that's the body, isn't it? So how it's work, this if I is equal to 1, if I is equal to 1 is less than equal to I means 1. So here is a 1, here is a 1, so then 1 is less than equal to 5, it's true. Now cursor, now my control is here console.log and print 1 star. Then again I am going to my incrementation. So I is equal to I plus plus means I plus 1, so I plus 1 is means 2, isn't it? So 2 is less than equal to 5. Yes, it is true. Then my cursor here console.log, so if 1 star is also printed. Okay, then again I'm going to here I plus 1. So I what is that? I is a 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 is a less here 3 is a less than is equal to 5. Yes, it's true. Then control goes here, and it's 1 star more printed. Then go here. Okay, so again that's star is printed. If it is false, the control does not enter the loop. Control now breaks, but all of the loops and going comes outside, and the looping the stops, isn't it? So that's all of these things work. Okay, it's a for loop, isn't it? So we have a I'm just here. So here you can see that there is a some expression. Okay, wow, that's nice. VR means it's here you can see that there is a next line. Okay, so don't worry about it, but sometimes we are avoid this. Okay, that's so many things. Okay, it's nice. If you want to print it, then you can do, isn't it? Okay, here you can see that there are different loops here. Okay, so I am going to here loop while. Here you can see that there is a while loop. So let's try to understand how while loop work. Where is that my editor? I'm just okay. where is that? I'm just here. It's a comment section. Okay, don't worry about that. So while first you have to know this, in loop there is a four section. One is a incrementation, second is a conditions, fourth is a incrementation, sorry, third is a incrementation, decrementation, and fourth is a what you want to print it. Okay, so here I just want to like let I is equal to 1. Okay, something like this. So while I'm just tab it, pressing a tab. So while I is equal to 1, so 1 is less than equal to 5. Yes, it's fine. So here my console or log star is printed, then it's I plus plus. That's okay. So here I'm just want to print it. Wow, that's nice, isn't it? Okay, and that's all of those things it's work. So nowadays AI it's available, so that's why I'm not explaining on that so much. Okay, do while loop is also working. So some of teachers are ask you why we are used while and while loops, why we are user and for loop, isn't it? So I'm just trying to explain you. So I'm here. So in for loop in JavaScript is a user generally when you know how many iterations has to be performed, isn't it? Okay, so whereas while loop is used such a condition like where you don't exactly know how many iterations has to perform, isn't it? So there is a one do while loop. Do while loop means is the usually used when the user has to interact with the program. Okay, so of course there is a for of loops, perfect by treating object properties. There are so many things. And the for of loop is used to write a syntax for arrays a very clean way. So you know all of those things while practice. Okay, so that's all from my side.